guys, on this episode of Days Boy Shop Works, we're pulling a 4.8 liter out of this scrapyard for Aiden's 1980 Chevy C20. Well, hey guys, sorry you didn't get to see the pulling of the 4.8 liter, but really, who wants to see a big front end loader with fork attachments yarding an engine out of a pickup truck body? It was a little tight. We managed to scrape a few things, but we got her all out in one piece. So here it is. One 4.8 liter LS of awesomeness for Aiden's 1980 C20. So a couple things we got to do. The loader operator broke the map sensor, and we got to change a pulley over here. But the rest of it fared out really well. So this is the complete engine, and then over here we have the fan shrouds, air filter box, all the extra stuff, the radiator. We have everything we need minus the fuel pump, and so tomorrow Dominic is going to take the wiring harness. He's going to adjust it, remove the things we don't need. We should have that back in a couple days. He's pretty quick at it. And we're going to go to another guy's place. I struck a deal on an 87 Chevy pickup. Hopefully the fuel tank is clean and tidy inside of it like the 80 was. So we're going to swap the fuel tank over and put an in-tank pump so everything's nice and tidy and easy. And 87 is apparently the year you want to use. Maybe 86, I'm not sure. It was TBI injection because they ran baffles inside the fuel tank so the fuel wouldn't slosh away from the electric fuel pump. So we're going to do that. If that craps out as a plan, then we are going to just get an inline pump, put it on the frame, and call her good. But it's worth grabbing the Chevy anyway because it's a whopping $150. And a little bit of time with a chainsaw because it's been sitting there for a while. So yeah, she's on the stand right now. We're going to get to cleaning things off of it in the next video, and we're going to do our best to pretty them up. I kind of find them slightly ugly, to be honest, but to me all the newer engines are slightly ugly anyway, so we're going to pretty it up as best as we can. And from there, you'll get to see us getting prepped up to put this thing in Aiden's truck. There's some things that we need to do, like we have to shave away some little bits of the manifolds here. They don't always, but they can contact the frame. And we're going to delete the EGR and the purge solenoid. And there is one broken exhaust manifold bolt, so I'll have to get the welder out and buzz a nut onto that and pull it out. Then, yeah, clean her up, delete the AC bracket, and we've got pretty much everything we need. The engine mount kit and the hub spacer for the transmission are on the way, and we should have everything quote-unquote ready to go for the weekend. So today is Sunday night at about 8:30 p.m. and we are going to be pushing to have this thing in and running next Sunday night. So I've got this Thursday and Friday off. Saturday we got to go to Valley View and pick up a Valiant, and Sunday we're going to be hopefully finishing up the final details on this guy. Cross your fingers and away we go. And please remember to like, subscribe, and share. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I'm still loving making them. We took a bit of a break through the summertime, so there wasn't a whole lot of new content, just some shorts here and there, but we're kind of getting back in action, get back on a regular schedule, 1 to 2 videos a week, and you're going to hopefully see a lot unfold through the winter here. And yeah, alright, from everybody at Dave's Glory Shopworks, and we really appreciate you guys. Have a good night. Thanks very much.